guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get true DPS. So yeah, technically true DPS is like to do 12 damage or more. So this is a Milo gun. All you need is to recharge of these things and this knife. And you also need the night gun. If you're poor, yeah, so sorry. So yeah, this is what what you need to do. And you have to hit like an enemy. Okay guys, I was saying you have to hit the enemy with the dynamite. There you go. Okay, do that. And then yeah, of course you're gonna do this like an hello, please. Actually, already got it. Bye.